Hi everyone, welcome. So if you're new here, hello, my name is Melanie. So guys, I'm really excited for today's video because I'm going to be showing and introducing to you guys a new brand, and her brand is called XNO Cosmetics. I will link everything that you need to know in the description below. Check that out. I am just excited to be part of her growing family. So she is a small brand right now. How her lipsticks are and how her palettes are, I think she will be growing in no time. Her brand is so affordable. She has affordable palettes, affordable liquid lipstick, and her products are really good. It is well made. You will see it on the tutorial. I created this look using one of her palette. I only got to use one palette, but if I'm basing how I like her products with that palette, then it is 2 thumbs up. You guys don't have to use my discount code. I just want you guys to check her out, support her, tell her that I sent you. So if you guys are loving what you're seeing on my face right now and you are really curious about this new brand, please make sure you give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe to my channel, and please do share this video if you would like to. So if you guys want to know more about this XNO cosmetic brand, then just keep on watching. So before I start playing with this makeup, I want to show you guys what they look like. I will search swatches. I picked up 3 palettes from her site. I have Glitterholic. I think that's such a cute name for the palette. So this is what it looks like. This is her main logo. That's her thing. That's her XNO logo. This is what it looks like inside. Oh my goodness. It is so pretty. Look at all that color. I wanted to get a palette that has glitters because I don't really have a lot that has like colored glitters like this, so this was perfect. I wanted to pick this up, and she also included 3 matte shades up here, so you can just play with those one and then add these beautiful glitters on whatever look you come up with that one. And at the back it shows you all the ingredients in bold big letters so you can see what you are applying to your face. And also this is a cruelty-free brand. I don't think it came with a packaging. It just came like this. It was wrapped in a plastic protector, so it doesn't get damaged. So I don't think that one has a box, I don't think. But when you do get your other palette, it will come in a cardboard box like this. It's very simple. It's to the point, saying, hey, here's my logo. At the back it has the ingredients of the shadow, so you can look it up and see what you're putting on your face if you're allergic to these things. Whatever you want to do with the ingredients, it is at the back of the cardboard box. It's not in the actual palette, so keep that in mind. And it's the same thing. It has the logo on the front. It is plastic, but it is very sturdy plastic. It doesn't come with mirror. And this is the shades in this palette. This one right here is definitely going to be used today. This is my target shade today, but look how huge they are. I'm going to insert the swatches and also put the pricings on the swatches so you guys can see and know how much they are. And then the third palette is this one right here. It is just a bit smaller than the first one that I showed you. So you guys, this is what it looks like inside. There's no mirror on this one either, and you have more shades in this one, but they are a smaller pan. And you guys, those ones up there are screaming fall for sure. And when you want to feel just a little bit of no makeup look, so they say, this bottom right here is perfect for that. Those are the 3 palettes that I got. You guys, I also purchased all these lippies right here. I cannot wait to try this, but I might do like a separate video for this just because they deserve their own videos. I'm gonna go ahead and prep my lid. Let's just not get this video too long like I usually do because I talk so damn much, So let's go ahead and prep our lid. You guys know I'm gonna use my Wet n Wild concealer, so just apply that on the lid.
If you wanna travel, then go alone. Yeah, what's the point in us if I never know?
So I'm gonna go ahead and take this one right here just to set our lid. So far so good. I like that shade. No problem with the blending on the lid. It didn't dry my lid, so it didn't leave like a powdery feeling on the lid. So I'm liking it. So now I'm gonna go ahead with this one right here. It's such a perfect peach color right here. This 3 right here are perfect together. If you just want that light wash of peach, you're just going for the very soft romantic like the last video that I did. This is just like it. It would have been perfect. So you have it on one palette. It's definitely a very light wash of peach. You have to pack it on. If you just want that light wash of peach, this is perfect. But it's definitely blendable and it is buildable, but you do have to build it up. So now moving on to our next shade, we're gonna take, let's take this one right here. I'm just taking all the matte colors. Probably, yeah, I'm gonna use all 3 matte shades. Is that matte too? That's a matte one too. But I'm just gonna take this one right here and we're gonna intensify our crease. I'm definitely impressed with the shade. So we're probably gonna do a half cut crease, so let's put some colors right here too. So as you guys know, I love bringing up my shadows all the way up to heaven, and I'm okay with it. So you guys, I'm gonna take this one right here just to darken up our crease, our V. You guys know how I work. I think it has a bit of shimmer. Does it? Or maybe it just looks like it. I don't think so. It looks like it has a bit of shine, but I still need the darkness on the outer V, so I'm just gonna take it. Why not? Light that right there. Ooh, yeah, it does have a bit of shimmer, but it's okay. So I'm just gonna take my ColourPop concealer and I'm just gonna use that to clean up my lid. I'm using my Morphe M408, one of the brushes that I like to use when doing cut crease. So now let's go ahead and take this one right here and we're gonna put that on the inner part where we clean the lid. So I'm gonna take my Royal & Langnickel brush. This is a detail brush. We're going back to the shade right here and we're going to deepen up our outer V, giving more structures on the corner. There's a little bit of fallout, but nothing crazy. I usually don't top off the excess of the shadows because I like getting all of the shadows on my lid, but that's also a bad thing sometimes. And I'm also going to take a small brush. You guys, I do this all the time. I know I've shown this before, I've mentioned this before, but I take a smaller brush, if I can find one that is clean. We'll just use this one. This is not a brush I usually use, but we're just going to use it today. So I'm going to take the same dark purple, and we are going to highlight our crease, our cut crease. I'm going to take this one right here and we are going to line the top of our half crease, and let's see how that goes. I'm really horrible at doing this, but I really want to. I'm going to take my NYX glitter primer. So I'm just going to apply that on the, the line of my half cut crease. So guys, I've never really done anything like this, so I don't know if I did it right, but it looks okay, right? So I mean I like it. It's very, like I said, it's very festive, very Christmas, but I like it. So I'm gonna go ahead and do my lashes. I'm so excited, you guys. I have lashes that I'm gonna try on pretty soon for you guys. I'm excited, but for now we're gonna stick with our Amazon, it's at Walmart lashes, but I'm excited for you guys to see that. If you're not about lashes, I think you should try it because look how much it changed my eye look. I think it's always for the better. But I love lashes, you guys. I am in love with lashes. I cannot do any looks without lashes. Even if it's like a makeup look, I still gotta do like a simple lashes. But that's just me. So let's go ahead and work on our lower lash line. I'm gonna take this one right here. So we're gonna go backwards. Go take this one, and we're gonna blend everything with this. I'm just taking my Basanti Contour Eyeshadow 4. This is another brush that I like to use on my lower when my other ones are dirty. I'm going to take this one next. Then I'm going to take that peach one and we're just going to blend everything together. So you guys, that completes the eye look. I'm going to give you my thoughts on the palette in a minute, but let's go ahead and finish the lips. I'm also going to show you 2 of the 8 liquid lipstick that I have because I want to dedicate a video on its own for them, but these are the 2 that I'm going to use because I can't decide which one. I'm going to take this one first, which is Gotcha. I just end up using this one all over. This is Gotcha. I did try to put the other one, but it didn't work out. So Gotcha is on the lips right now. So you guys, this is the full look. What do you guys think? Final thoughts on the palette. I cannot speak for the other 2. Well, you know what? I can speak for this one because that gold shade is really good. Look at that on my eyes. As long as you use a glitter primer, you will be set. I like this. I cannot wait to create more looks with this one right here. This one I have to do another video using this. I didn't touch it, but if it's as good as this one that we used, then I'll be a happy consumer. So you guys, I love this palette. This one right here is not my favorite shade. Definitely buildable. It's a light peach, but this right here is my favorite. This one right here is my favorite too. These 2 right here really wowed me. So I really hope that you guys will try this palette. Just pick it up. So you guys, I will link all her information down below so you guys can check her website. You can check out her Instagram. You guys don't have to use my coupon code. I just want you guys to go and check her out and give her some love. I highly recommend that you guys try and check out her site and just, you know, let her know that I sent you. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and like always, I'll catch you in my next one. Bye guys.